We want that customer experience to just go through the roof. And our data shows that with every brand that we touch, that's exactly what happens.
BILT is about providing a better customer experience for brands that create products that need assembly, setup. We take those instructions and then we take the product and we create a 3D interactive experience that makes the user experience so wonderful, you actually enjoy the process of assembling the product. If you can have a network of customers who love your products, telling everybody how much they love your products, it's really important.
Do you love it?
Our goal and mission at BILT is to create promoters of your brand. We want to create loyal customers for you. That's what BILT does.